Hola clase, just a really short presentation on two important verb expressions with the verb tener ganas de, and tener que. So as you know, the verb tener is a yogo verb and it's a stem changing or boot verb. So it sounds like tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, and tienen. So the first expression we're going to talk about is tener ganas de, and you can put it with an infinitive or a noun. And it could be translated to English to feel like doing something, or to want to, or to look forward to something, or to do something. Ejemplos. ¿Tienes ganas de ir a una fiesta esta noche? And she says, sí, tengo ganas. Otro ejemplo, ¿tienes ganas de estudiar conmigo? Pues no, la verdad es que no tengo ganas. So he doesn't feel like it. ¿Tienes ganas de pizza o comida china? You could answer, tengo ganas de comida china. So you feel like it. Tener que is another expression that's very important, and you put it with the infinitive of the verb, and it means should or must, or have to in English. So if I say you have to clean your room, it's a disaster. I would say tienes que limpiar tu dormitorio. Es un desastre. And that it is. Marco tiene mucha hambre. ¿Qué tiene que hacer? What does he have to do? Marco tiene que comer. He has to eat. Otro ejemplo, tengo que estudiar más. Tengo una F. So I have to study more. Yo tengo mucha sed. ¿Qué tengo que hacer? Tengo que beber agua. Practiquemos. You can pause the presentation and match the picture with the expression. Go ahead and pause it, and I'll give you the answers on the next slide. You should have had C, A, D, and B. I hope you did well. Buena suerte.